In this module, I want to share exactly what you're going to say to a homeowner and keep things very simple. I want you to say the words coming out of my mouth. Mr. Homeowner, the government is on their hands and knees begging you to go solar. They are giving more money away than they've ever given in history. It's unprecedented. I'd like to calculate what your solar incentives would be. May I ask you a couple of questions? Number one, how do you file your taxes? Are you single? Are you head of household? Or are you married filing jointly? And number two, what's your adjusted gross income? If you don't know the adjusted gross income, what's your gross income? If you can pull out the 1040 tax return and get line 11 adjusted gross income, even better. And that's it. You know the rest from there, and you can calculate that into the estimator tool and keep the conversation short and sweet. If you need to elaborate any further, you can say, I work with a company called Solar Tax Pros, and they're experts at solar incentive maximization. And I'm going to include their fees into your solar plan so that they get you the money back and they maximize that money to you. So instead of getting you a 30% investment tax credit, I can get you a 40, 50, 60, 70% total solar incentive. This is what you qualify for. These are the total solar incentives. And keep it short and sweet.